Hi guys, welcome back to Kobe's Kitchen, where we share simple, amazing recipes. You don't have to break a bank to create an amazing meal in your home. For the new subscribers, asanteni sana na karibuni sana. We say the main aim of the channel is to ensure that homemade food does not have to be boring. So today I have an amazing recipe which calls for chicken mshikaki.
Oh my god! Wow!
So the main ingredients for the chicken mshikaki is the marinated chicken breast. So this is our chicken breast, in which we will cut into small pieces and then marinate it overnight until tomorrow, so that we can make our mshikaki. So I will cut it into very small pieces. Let me cut them and then I show you what I use to marinate it. So I have already cut it into small sizable mouthpiece, or small pieces of equal whatever sizes, to ensure that it cooks well, all of them. So these are the sizes that I'm using for the marination. So for the spices that I will use for marinating, I will use a black pepper, a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of dana jeera, a teaspoon of garam masala, a teaspoon of ginger powder, a teaspoon of garam masala. If you don't have the garam masala, you can use the chicken masala, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, whole cumin seeds, and then I want to make a lemon and herb spiced mshikaki. So I'm using the mixed herbs. And then I have a spice that I would recommend to everyone. I'm using one chili beef cube. So I will, and I'll squeeze out the lemon in this. I'll squeeze out the juice in this lemon. So I will mix all these spices, each a teaspoon, in my place to marinate. So I use this kasufuria to marinate the chicken. So let me mix them and then show you. I will also add in a teaspoon of dark soy sauce, and this is the mixture of my marinade. I'll also put in some salt and a teaspoon of oil. So I will dash, nitaweka tu hii hapa kidogo tu, and then with your clean hands immerse your pieces of chicken inside the marinade. So I'll put also, be careful, the soy sauce has a lot of salt in it, so just be careful when putting your salt, minimize your salt. So I'll then add in a teaspoon of salt. Marinated chicken breast. So make sure you use the chicken breast because it is boneless chicken breast, which is about half a kg. Then I have the colored capsicum, whatever color you find. If you find the purple ones, the green ones, the red ones. For me, I have the yellow, orange, green and red ones. Then I've used 3 onions, the white onions and the red onions, and then the bamboo stick, the skewers. The skewers are the main for the mshikaki, sababu tunazilainisha on this line for the mshikaki. If you do not have the bamboo stick, actually they're not costly, they're only 65 bob for like 100 pieces. So if you don't have them, the mshikaki, unaweza toka tu hapo nje uchonge kijiti yako and then you have it. So this recipe is very very simple. You just cut them in this sizable whatever zenye zitaingia in your stick. So to line them, we need it to be very very colorful. So to line them, I'll just start with this red onion, niweke hadi hapo. Then the white onion goes in. It's very simple, very nice, a nice snack. Then the red capsicum, my piece of chicken, the yellow capsicum, and the green capsicum. So it's just a sequence of things. So whatever way you think of doing, however creative you are, so just continue putting arranging your colors in your mshikaki. So make sure your chicken is sizable vizuri in takata. So continue putting your ingredients in hivyo. The colorful it is, the more appealing it becomes. So tafuta hizi mahoho mingi, it makes it looks colorful. So my chicken, I think it looks well. Start cutting them. If you even have sausages, you can put them hapa. Hata pineapple are good when zikiwa zimechomwa, ni tamu. So that is it. So put all your ingredients in your sticks, and let me do that, and then I will show you vile nimeziweka. So this is my mshikaki. See how colorful it is. So ningekuwa na sausage ningeweka hapa ndio kukuwe na a variety of colors. But sasa I just used whatever I had in my home. So you can just do whatever you want. So I'll arrange them. I'll just put them, and then I arrange them, and then I show you my next process. So when you stuff your bamboo sticks or your skewers with the chicken, this is now what we call the chicken mshikaki. You see how colorful they look. Hii ndio inafanyangu unapendezwa nayo, alafu unalipa expensive, yet you can make it at your own home. I am the plug. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing on that red button yenye imeandikwa subscribe. It's totally free, and hit the notification bell to ensure that when I upload any new video you are notified. So ukishamaliza hivi, we'll then heat our pan kwa moto, a high whatever, high heat. So heat it, and then kujeni nionyeshe. So I'm using the double-sided pan because it will take like I think many of them. So I will then brush my oil, just a little amount so in a high heat. I wanted to floss with my brush.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Sasa ikikuwa evenly brushed, you will put in your mshikaki. Nafikiria ni moto sana vizuri. So I'll put in my mshikaki kamoja and arrange it vile itatoshea. So you can feel it sizzling. So I think this is better. Nitaipanga hizi ndio zitoshe zote. So after every 3 minutes, I turn it on the other side. After every 3 minutes, I turn it to make sure inaiva evenly. So you continue turning every 3 minutes in a turn. So you will know inaiva ikianza kubrown hivi. So hapo ndio utajua nini yako inaiva. You see how brown it is after the capsicum are cooked well. So hizi zingine right side moto haipiki kwa juu sana, so it's gonna take longer kiasi kuiva. So nitatoa zenye zimeiva kwanza, and then I will continue to trim the rest. So make sure mshikaki yako imeturn brownish hivi as it is. Okay. So we are done making our mshikaki, and this is how they look. They're nice. Zime brown vizuri, so make sure utajua zimeiva tu ziki brown, as you can see. So see you next time on the next one. Subscribe if you haven't. This is a Mother's edition. Your wiki ilikuwa ya Mother's Day, so I'm late kidogo, but you can still try this at home and surprise your mom, your woman, your fiance, your whatever. Bora tu ni mother figure or a good wife feeling. So see you next time. Until next time, subscribe. Bye.
A few moments later.
Ngoja ni hivyo. Sasa tupige picha. Mtu? Tupige picha. Ni